IEBC is the duty bearer under the Constitution. They keep the records and they keep them to the order of the court. They ought to be availed to parties when they demand it. And of what consequences? If you look at the IEBC portal, you will not get such data. The truth is finally out. No wonder there are reports that at the IEBC they are interrogating people to find out who let the cat out of the bag. You cannot argue that because you left your house open, the thief acquires a right to come in and take what doesn't belong to him. IEBC has a responsibility, is paid by Kenyans to ensure the security of the vote for everyone, even anyone without an agent. We have said from day one that even though we respect the court, we do not agree with them one bit. So this is not the first time that we are saying we won. We did. This is not the first time we are saying we won. This information just reinforces what we already knew. And it gives us access to documents that we were denied. And by the way, there is a very easy way of settling this matter. It's not too late for the IEBC to bear the servers and we get a forensic audit.
Yeah. They are looking chop. So I think we keep it.